What's up, guys? This is Dana from Russ's Ocean State Harley-Davidson here in Warwick, Rhode Island, USA. I'm out here today with this 2020 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special in Billiard Red. And as usual, when I start doing a video, the sun went behind a cloud. But it doesn't matter on the Billiard Red because this paint does not have any metal flake in it. The Billiard paints are like kind of a flat paint. There's no little mirrors in them. There's no flake. There's no kind of reflectivity there. Just a smooth, silky, nice color paint. Think of a cue ball, or think of like a pool ball. It's kind of intended to have that sort of look. You can see it's still the glossy finish. It's not the denim paint, so you can see the clouds today really reflected in the bags. It really is a beautiful looking bike. So the Road Glides have this fixed fairing, so when you turn the handlebars, this fairing does not move. All right, so the idea is that all the wind pressure that comes onto the fairing as you're riding goes to the frame of the motorcycle instead of up these bars and into your shoulders and arms. It's supposed to be less fatigue and a better ride on the interstate. This bike comes with a blacked out Milwaukee A114 engine, 6-speed cruise drive transmission. It's got the 2-in-1 and a 2 exhaust, so it gives you the benefits of a 2-in-1 exhaust, but it gives you the symmetry of a true dual setup. This bike has the one-touch features on the bags, so you can hold something in one hand and open the bag with the other. Same thing on the gas cap. One nice thing about this fairing versus the Batwing fairing as well is there's a little more room in your media box here. This is where you plug in your phone or your device. So you have this USB, plug it in here, it'll charge, and it will connect it to the Boombox GTS Infotainment System. So this is a radio. Let me connect it to your device so you can have your Apple CarPlay, or I forget what the Google equivalent is. So you can run everything kind of right through your infotainment system using these 5-way switches. The home button on this side. See the traction control button. This bike also has RDRS. So it has the anti-lock brakes, cornering ABS, it's got the hill hold, it's got traction control, it's got the tire pressure monitoring system built right in, which also gives you these cool 90-degree valve stems. Dual disc front brakes, single disc on the rear, Brembo brakes. This is kind of a touring machine, this bike. So let's go ahead and start it so you guys can hear it run. Stretch saddlebags that you get on the specials. You also get the filler strip in the back with the 3-bar light. That's on all the specials, Street Glide specials, Road Glide specials. Painted inner fairing, so you have a finished inner fairing instead of the blank ABS plastic. All Road Glides have this cool dual beam headlight in the front. So there she is, guys. We're getting a lot of bikes in that are black right now from the factory because the factory has reduced production and reduced the number of color offerings that they have. So any bikes with any kind of color on them are kind of rare. The majority of the units are coming in vivid black. So if you're looking for a nice red Road Glide, this bike probably won't last long. So come on down to Ocean State Harley-Davidson, Warwick, Rhode Island. Hoping to have our Exeter store open here again sometime by spring. And see our full inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. Sorry this video is a little longer than most of them, guys, but at least we got to enjoy the sunshine for a few minutes. So yeah, we're gonna take this bike for a quick ride back around the building now, and hope you guys are having a great day. Appreciate you watching. We'll talk to you all real soon.